Classes and objects in Python programming language. Hi, welcome to this lesson. Python is an object-oriented programming language. So, what is the meaning of object-oriented programming? Basically, object-oriented programming is a method of structuring your program by bundling related properties and behaviors into individual objects. And in this lesson you will learn the basics of object-oriented programming in Python programming language. So let's get started. Almost everything in Python programming language is an object, with its properties and methods. Also, a class is like an object constructor or a blueprint for creating objects. We just create the class, and depending on that we can make any number of objects we want, depending on this class we created. To create a class in Python, use the keyword called class. Let's take a simple example to create a class in Python programming language. You can see in this case we created a class called newClass. Using the class keyword, we put the class keyword first, followed by the name of that class. And after that, don't forget to put a colon at the end of the class header. Inside the body of that class called newClass, or the local scope of that class, we just put a property called num. And it has an integer value. And the value of this num property is equal to 10. And after creating this class called newClass, we print it using the print function to display the class main newClass, the class main followed by the name of that class that we created.